Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to fix all 5G network related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, go to reset, tap here, go down. So here you can see reset mobile network settings, tap here. See the message, this will reset all mobile network settings. Tap on this reset settings button, then enter screen lock password. Tap on this reset button, done. See the message, network settings reset. This reset operation is safe, it will not delete any data from your phone. Okay, so after this reset operation you can go back, then check 5G. 5G should work. This is a method 1. If this method is not working, then go to method 2. Method 2, again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go to connections, tap here, go to mobile networks, tap on network mode. Here we should select 5G. Select 5G here, then go to network operators, enable this option, select automatically, enable it, then go back. Enable data roaming if you are outside home network. If this option is available, enable this voice over 5G. Then go back. Then tap on data usage. Here we should enable this mobile data. Okay. After this you can check 5G. 5G should work. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.